In this demo, I will briefly explain the core flow and implementation of my Gemini chat app built using Android Jetpack Compose. I show how users can log in with username, send messages to Gemini, receive AI-generated review, view timestamp, and switch between different user sessions. The app starts in main activity. This file controls the main app flow. From here, the user can show login screen, open the chat screen after a valid username is entered, and store messages for each user during the app session, handle logouts, and return to the login screen. I run the app on the emulator. So the first screen asks for the username. If I leave it blank, it won't let me enter. So I try Alex. Now I'm in the app, open the chat screen. I try hi. So this screen contains chat message list, user message, purple on the right, Gemini response purple on the left, a bottom input field, a send button, timestamp under each messages. Now I demonstrate the Gemini response flow. Try I'm Alex. Count to 10. Now suggest learning tip. While send message, the user will appear, and while waiting, the app show a loading message so that Gemini is thinking. So once Gemini returns a response, the bot message appear on left with own timestamp. This is a very long answer. Now I show the Gemini API code. Request. So this class handle with LLM backend connection is create a Gemini model and send the user's message to the API. The main model use is Gemini 2.5 Flash because 3.0 is in high demand and often down, so 2.5 is more reliable for this task. Now I show how the app handle different users. I try to log out and enter different username like Mia. Mia opens a separate chat session. This means Alex and Mia do not share the same visible conversation in the current app session. Now I send a message as Mia, like I am Mia. Suggest new plan. So Gemini is thinking for a great answer. So we got an answer below. Now I verify that Alex messages are still available. Logout. Alex. So as you can see, it's still here. Alex previous messages are still shown. It's confirmed that the app can restore the correct conversation for each username during the same app. Finally, for this project, the Gemini API key is not written directly into the Kotlin source code. Instead, it's stored locally and accessed to Gemini API key. This helps keep the API key separate from the main app code for security reasons. That concludes the demo. This app demonstrates username login, Jetpack Compose UI, Gemini API integration, loading stage, chatbot responses, timestamp, and a separate user chat section. Thank you for watching.